Good evening from the mountain. I'm kind of excited about this series. It's going to be an amalgamation of what I've been doing the last couple years now with the Wednesday class, and then also prior to that, all the Taoist lectures that we did for 20 some years. So I'm going to kind of combine it all in half the time. And so who knows what we come up with. I haven't decided on the recipe yet, so you'll be as surprised as I am. But I've been also working a lot on Western blood work and been going very deep into it and have discovered a lot of different things that and well, I finally went to my primary care physician after about 5 years, and I told her that I'll run my own blood tests and I'll give her a copy. And she's like, yeah, okay. So when I went there and I had my own blood work, it became very apparent to me that she didn't know a lot of what I had ordered. She didn't understand the tests and what they were implications for and what they're used for, because quite frankly, blood work has really changed in the last 5 years and definitely in the last 10. So if you went to medical school 20 years ago, unless you're staying concurrent with everything, the blood tests are very different. Not different, but they're very inclusive. And they have a lot of different batteries that you can run, which are very interesting and informative. And if you know how to piece them together, it really tells you a lot about the chi of the body. And that's what I'm really interested in now, is not so much looking at blood panels from the perspective of Western-based medicine. Of course, it's very, very helpful. Don't get me wrong, enormously helpful in figuring out things, but from looking at it from a chi-based perspective and a Shen-based perspective. So that's where I'm going to lead a little bit into tonight. I'm not going to go into detail. I am going to be running a whole 5-day intensive course on this eventually. And hopefully I have my book finished by then. But, you know, we're going to be talking about some of these things spread out through the course, the Wisdom Weekly, because I am including some of this information now with my DMQs, especially in the upcoming class, because I really do think that they need to know this. The doctorate level really could utilize some of this and put it to good use the way I have. It's actually been one of my ways of solving a lot of mysteries with people and putting things together in a comprehensive fashion. So